Welcome to J&J's test video for S4 CE 309, 104,000 mile 5.3 with a 4L65E. Runs, drives, top works. The only issue we have is the front was hit. Sure, the top works. Pull it out here. Not inside. CD player works. Power seats work if I could find them. There we go. Oh my gosh, the buttons are so hard to get to on these things. There we go. CD player. Needed a bumper cover, a couple headlights. I got my seats all the way up. Excuse me. Let's eject that before I forget it. CD came out. Dinging. Yeah, this thing's fine. Except for all the dinging. Oh my goodness. Alright, roll up that window. Roll up this window.
Overnight low 68. Mostly sunny for Tuesday. 30% chance we could have a shower thunderstorm mainly afternoon. High 91. 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms Wednesday. High 86. It's 94.1.
All right, that's it. S4 CE 309, 104,000 mile SSR. Thank you as always for watching.